Okay, welcome everyone to another update. Okay, and on this update, I'll be going through a few of these accounts. We're gonna go ahead and collect profit today. Today is Wednesday. I'm sorry, today is Thursday. Let's go ahead and check the date. Yeah, so today is Thursday, March 12th, 2020. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and collect profit on some of these accounts. All right, for those of you who are still wondering, should you participate? Let me just say this. I'll just say this. We're entering into a whole nother environment when it comes to the financial markets. All right, we're currently in that environment now, but it will be transitioning and it will continue to transition. Anyways, let me go ahead and I'll talk while I collect this profit here. This account here, this is our update account, so I won't collect profit on this account right now. I will kind of go over some of the stuff that's like taking place in this account. This account represents current market value, so at the end of the month, I usually collect on this account, but I'll do something a little differently this time. I'll go ahead and collect on this account today. All right. I'll also collect on current market movement today, and I'll also collect on the other people's accounts. All right, but I won't do it all in this video because it'll just make this video way longer than needed. All right, so you can see here, this is Bitcoin Cash, the one I just opened up here. We've been holding on to this since the 8th. Okay, so it's already in profit. We're selling it. All right, that's probably the only one I'm going to give away. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at these accounts here and see who's ready to collect. And some of these, some of our members already collected. All right, so this person's at $111, and we'll go ahead and collect that for this person. Now we are going to place some more trades. The trades that will be placed on these accounts will have to do with alignments. All right, now some of you may be wondering what am I talking about when I mention alignments. If you've been following a lot of the videos that I put out, this person just made, okay, here's another account here for this individual. They just made $471 today. I know they're happy. And in fact, they just signed up about yesterday. Actually, yeah. Let's open up the date on this, on one of these trades. You will be able to see. Today's the 12th, but here, yeah, it was open on the 12th and closed on the 12th. All right, so they actually started, well, yesterday my time, Pacific Standard Time, but yeah, they didn't even have a complete 24-hour period yet, and they've already profited quite a bit. So I know they're very happy with that. I know some people ask, well, is this always consistent like this? And to be honest with you, it's not always consistent like this. And there'll be times when the market will be unaligned or misaligned. All right, so that kind of brings me back to the first topic that I brought up, alignment. So let me talk about that. See how much money. Oh, what happened? They must have collected. Okay, this person closed out quickly, so they probably were scared. They probably they got scared probably, but they seen that that they had $34 in profit. So they collected, they stopped all the trades, and which is okay. $34 is better than losing money. All right. So when I mentioned alignment, okay. All right, so this person's at $21. I'll still go ahead and collect for them. When I mention alignment, I'm talking about current market value aligned with current market movement. All right, I've mentioned this before, that whenever those two elements are aligned, that's when these trades really profit. That's when they really profit. Now, according to my research, and it took a long time to develop this research, you guys. If you read the ebook, you'll get the whole story. But let's see what's going on with this person here. Oh, all right, so $64. Let's go ahead and collect for them as well. Whenever current market value is aligned with current market movement, there's a huge surge in profit. All right, and that will happen. It's a cycle. There's a cycle with alignment, and then there's a cycle with misalignment. And I made a comment about the all right, so this person, no running trades. Oh, okay, they collected their profit. So they probably seen it was a $216 profit, and they just decided, and look, it's pretty much almost everything. Wow. All right, so they probably seen that and they were happy, and they said, okay, great, awesome. All right. Okay. All right, good. So let's go ahead. So I made a comment about, does this happen consistently? And to be honest, it doesn't. And the reason it doesn't happen consistently has everything to do with just the market pattern, all right? And to be more specific, the market pattern of alignment and misalignment. So there are times when the current, now remember, the current market value is what's considered the long term according to the Forex Helper strategy. That's the name of the strategy, by the way. It's called the Forex Helper strategy. Nothing complicated, that's just what it is. And CMV stands for current market value, and CMM stands for current market movement. All right. But whenever those two are misaligned, you'll have that's when you'll have situations, and that's when those situations are called storms. All right. Now, what's so funny and so weird, I don't even want to use that word funny, because it's really not funny, because, you know, in light of everything that's happening around the world, there's nothing really funny right now. But what I meant by that is, it's just kind of weird, because you turn on the news and you're hearing one thing and everybody's freaking out, but then you go to the Forex Helper channel and you go to the network and you're like, oh my goodness, all these people are making money right now. On March 12th, 2020, the news is going insane and people are losing money, and because again, they're focusing on this kind of mentality that has, it's like a gambling mentality. They're gambling their money. That's why, you know, there's more than one direction you can go in the market. You don't have to. If you see an asset losing value, why are you going to buy it? That's just strange. Don't buy it. Sell it and make profit. That's it. There's nothing. It's not complicated. You know, even the strategy that I put in the ebook, you can use that for yourself. It's real simple. It's just lines. I've made it so simple. Just here, look at this line. If that line's going up, you buy. If the line is going down, you sell. And that's it. It's like they make this thing so complicated, and a lot of it has to do with, you know, getting your money, to be honest with you. I don't know how much this person made. I forgot to check. I'll check afterwards. So it's Thursday, so that's why I'm collecting. And really, that's enough. I mean, we can place trades for tomorrow, but really, it's usually better to, okay, so $71. If I do place trades, always keep the margin level percent. All right, so here, this person made $61. This person was struggling with this account at one point in time because they were a little afraid of our methods, so, but they're coming along. All right. So whenever, yeah, so with the market that's currently taking place right now, the media and all the everything's falling, and that's the only part that the media will present. All right, well, I won't say that's the only part. You know, there are times when they report gains, but what I mean by that is they take the perspective of, oh my goodness, it's over, kind of, you know, doom and gloom kind of thing. At least when it comes to the financial market and the stocks and all that stuff. But they don't tell you, hey, wait a minute, guys. All you have to do is, all right, so I don't know, this person collected already. All you have to do is start selling it. No big deal. All right, so they collected. Okay, they must have collected $50. Okay, just sell it. No big deal. Start selling it. All right, so they've collected. All right, so I don't know what happened there. 25 cents. Okay, they must have collected, and it looks like they withdrew about 2,000, so that's good. That person always pulls out about 2,000 every time they make it. All right, so I think that's it for now. Okay, this is a new person. They just actually started with us, so. And this is just a fraction of the account. So just wanted to give you guys just a part of what takes place here, especially when there's a market alignment, and that's what we have here. So there's a market alignment with both current market value and current market movement. And I'll say this last thing when it comes to the CMV and CMM alignment. You can find that on our report. There's a report that comes out, and the report comes out every day. Now, the beginning of this month, the report did not come out every day. The CMV was fine, so we made sure the CMV is good. And the reason it didn't come out every day is because we had to do some special research, especially with the current market situation. All right. And all right, so I believe one more here. So besides that, the report will now be focused on both current market value and current market movement profits. So if we were to go ahead and take a look at current market, now this is the current market movement account. Now remember, if you go back to the previous video, which was March 11th, I believe we were at $1,000 profit. Okay, $1,000 profit. Today we're at $25 $5,000 profit. And this is current market movement. So I will collect this today. And just for a quick sneak peek, I'll go ahead and even reveal the trades, all right? Because I'm gonna go ahead and close this. So I'll go ahead and reveal the trades. So here we go. These are the trades. And I'll collect on it, but I won't do this on the video. I'll just show you the dates, okay? So again, these are the dates when these were purchased. Now you can see this is fairly new, the first one, so it hasn't matured yet. Some of these just have to take time to mature. But you can see, all right? You can see for yourself the times when these were open, and you can get an idea at the maturity rate and what's going on in the market, all right? And you can see how some of these really profited and how some of them also haven't matured yet, but they will mature in due time. All right, so yeah, so there you have it. Just a quick little sneak peek, but there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Don't miss out on this opportunity. This is, oh man, it's the real deal. All right, it's the real deal. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. But what it does require determination. All right, you will come across moments when you're gonna run through a rough patch. That's just a given. I'm not gonna tell you that the market is gonna be like this every single time. But what I will tell you is this: if you take the trades that we give according to the alignments, sign up for our network so you can know exactly what I'm talking about. The market alignment score. Whenever the market alignment score is high, then you'll make profit. You know, we calculate the market alignment score. So if you want to make profit when the market alignment score is high, according to the Forex Helper strategy, then sign up with our network, join our network, participate, hang in there, stick to it, don't bail out, don't jump ship, don't run away, stick through it, and you'll reach your destination. Give it at least 90 days. That's usually what I always say, 90 days, so you can get the full grasp, the full scope of things. And boom, you'll start to see how things work. Market alignment is the key here. Market alignment. If you need account management, check us out. If you want to learn about the strategy, check out the ebook. All right, contact us. This is Gabriel, the Forex Helper. Happy trading, happy investing.